Olsun.
Kutlu olsun.
Happy Nowruz. It is the welcoming of spring. Or really is it? We'll find out.
Nowruz kutlu olsun.
Kutlu
Kutlu
olsun.
olsun.
Nowruz kutlu olsun.
Hey, what's up, my family friends? Today is another New Year in Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yo, there's like 3 New Years I've had here.
Why 3?
I had American, I had Chinese, and now I'm having this other. It's a Turkish, Azerbaijani. Everybody celebrates this New Year here in this side of the world. All right. I got my friendly Uber driver slash host showing me where to eat the right proper food, and we're gonna be here, this place. So check right in. Nowruz. Nowruz. Gotta put my mask on because I'm just gonna take it off when I sit down. See, that's what I want. Am I gonna find that at Shimkent?
Yeah. You have to marry a Kazakh girl so they would have that.
So what I've been told is that Kazakhstan is one of the #1 countries that consume meat. And there's lamb lungs on this menu. I'm interested in trying it, but I mean, first I gotta try a traditional meal. And once it gets here, I'll show y'all, alright? So stay tuned. Как зовут Nowruz Kojia, да? So I have Nowruz Kojia soup. So this is the traditional soup that you have on the holiday Nowruz, no? And what is Nowruz? What is it like
Equal days, kinda like we celebrate that spring is coming and kinda New Year.
So is it also New Year and it's spring?
Yes.
And the snow is supposed to be gone, which is not happening right now in Kazakhstan.
In Astana, but in other places.
Yeah. So I have a lot of friends that are actually celebrating this. I have some friends that are in Ukraine are celebrating the same holiday. I have some friends in Moscow, yeah? Moscow. Turkic people, all right? Turkic. Not people from Turkey, but Turkic people, which they're everywhere, all over, most of all the Stan countries like Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, what else? Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Everyone there are all celebrating this holiday right now. I feel like there's such a long way of just explaining this holiday. Let me Wikipedia it. Oh, observed by people from Albania, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, China, India, Georgia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Kashmir, never heard of that place, Cyprus, Pakistan, Kyrgyzstan, like I said, Russia, Syria, Tajikistan, I forgot that one.
Tatars as well.
Crimean Tatars. There's a lot of people who celebrate this holiday, and it's a new holiday. It was actually introduced to me. I've never heard of this holiday until I moved here, and I've been here officially 5 months in Kazakhstan.
Here, you see?
Oh, so we have something kind of like this. It's the spring equinox. So it's the ending season of winter and the coming season of spring. So this is an interesting holiday. Look, see, that's what I am. So I'm trying out this soup, Nowruz Kojia soup, and it has 7 ingredients, like their
rice, pork, beans,
Rice, corn,
a lot of different.
a lot of ingredients that make up 7 ingredients. Давай. This broth, it tastes as a little, it tastes like kameez.
It's with milk.
It has milk in it, huh? Oh. So you can see, you have rice, peas, some meat, noodles. What is it? Dumplings?
Noodles, homemade noodles.
Homemade noodles. And it does taste like it has kameez, which is like, or is it
Horse milk.
horse milk, but
I
not
think
with
that-
alcohol.
No, but it's not horse milk, it's cow milk.
No, it has cow milk in it, but it tastes very,
Salty.
it tastes like buttermilk in America. Like we have buttermilk before, that's what it tastes like. It has a little small hint of that taste in the broth.
It smells good.
It's хорошо, хорошо. So beautiful.
Yeah, it's so hot. Просто я посмотрела у вас в расписании, нам немножко подарков мы не успеваем. Вы хотели, конечно,
Шашлык.
поехать так. Здесь или куда-то?
Alright, with friends and family, trying this. This is horse milk ice cream. So it has a strange smell to it. Yep, gasheta. Спасибо большое. Спасибо большое.
No problem, sir. Where are you from?
From Texas.
Texas.
Yeah, Tejas.
What is this?
Oh,
Возле юрты дверь сразу справа.
meditation beads.
Окей.
Yeah. You know, Texas, right? Tejas. Sumkent.
Техас, да.
I like this place. It's nice.
Your first time here?
Yeah, first time here. Yeah. Pomegranate.
Yeah, sure.
Is it like? Just when you would think spring is coming, spring is not coming. We're in a lot of snow.
Oh, is that camera on, man? You gotta turn that shit on.
My boy.
God
over here,
damn.
he's smoking a cigarette.
It's actually not that cold, but the snow coming down is pretty bad. But
He's not in. Look at his jacket. He's got that Cobain.
this is what happens when you're from Wisconsin. When you're from Wisconsin, you can handle this kind of weather. Once it starts hitting the negatives, yeah, maybe a little bit. But the snow is nothing.
This is 23 spring.
We got say what's up. It's my friends and family. Freaking crazy out here. There's a bloody snowstorm going on here. And this is those infamous snowstorms that I keep hearing about here in the city and what this country experiences. And this is crazy out here. Like, everyone's getting stuck on the road. And visibility is probably like up to like 5 meters. That's it. You can't see anything. Yeah, check this out. Alright, so now I just left the Mega Silk Mega Silk Way. It's a giant mall, and I'm going to go back to my house, and I want to experience these infamous snowstorms that I keep hearing about. And look, you can already see that I'm making weird faces because the snow is hitting my face and my eyeballs. The wind is kind of blowing, but it looks like visibility is a little bit better. But yeah, let's see what the storm is all about. All right, the bike. Oh man. So, I'll give you a couple interesting, gosh, I can't even talk now. Give you a couple interesting facts about the city. So, not just the city, but the country itself. Kazakhstan was a former Soviet Union country. It was like the Kazakhstan Republic or Soviet Republic back then. And when the Soviet Union fell, Kazakhstan pretty much started becoming independent. And excuse me, I might be breathing pretty heavy because walking through this snow, it's like, it's a workout. But Kazakhstan is one of the most developed of the Stan countries and one of the most wealthy ones because they have a huge amount of resource of oil and natural gas and other mined minerals. That's how the government in this country makes money, and that's what they're able to bring to the table. And what they created was a glorious city of Nursultan, which was known as Astana, which had another name too, Kaliningrad or something like that. Oh, here we go. Let's pick it up. But let me continue to give you my most epic history class I can give while in this storm. But hopefully you can hear me too. The capital used to be in Almaty, and then they changed it over to this city. And Almaty is like known as the most cultured of the cities. There's following other cities like Aktau, which is on the Caspian Sea, which hopefully I'll be able to make a nice little trip about that too. And then there's Shymkent, which is the funny joke about Shymkent is Tejas. It's like the Texas of Kazakhstan. It's not coming from me. That's actually coming from the local people. That's how they know Texas is on the map. They know Texas. Gosh, there we go. Oh, this feels like little needles in my face. But yeah, Shymkent is the Texas. I wonder if this video quality is gonna be good. I'm curious. Hopefully my video doesn't die. We're walking around the expo right now. Okay, so, and then there's another city called Simi. It's on the far east of Kazakhstan, near the Mongolian-China border and also Russian border. Kazakhstan is one of the biggest consumers. This is gonna be super tough. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is gonna be tough. Oh shoot. Shoot. Damn. Здравствуйте. But yeah, Kazakhstan is one of the biggest meat consumers in the world. Everything they eat is always meat, 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 meat. Oh, I'm tired. It's also majority Muslim. Lots of population of Muslim people here, but like not the super strict kind of Muslims. Horse is like a national animal. Apparently this is where horses were first tamed in the whole world of humankind was here in Kazakhstan. Pretty amazing. And their national bird is a steep golden eagle, which is a very beautiful bird. Giant eagle. What else can I say about Kazakhstan? And it's a very interesting intro to me living here in Kazakhstan. It's already been 5 months since I've been here. Going in April, it'll be 5 months living in a post-Soviet Union country. Shit. Now, let me tell you some of the information that people don't want to talk about, because that's what I do. I'm not scared. Oh man. Ah! So, oh, look at that. Oh my god. I bet you the sound quality is horrible right now. Oh, I think I walk into a wind tunnel. Okay, so let me tell you about the things that people don't want to talk about. Is Kazakhstan is pretty high up there in corruption. You do run into a lot of those people of, hey, you don't know who I am. My name is so-and-so, last name, and it could be like some kid brother, like your uncle or something like that. Holy crap. Oh. But I haven't ran into that yet, probably because I don't really understand Kazakh or Russian. But that's the word on the street. But I do know that corruption is pretty high. But it shouldn't stop you from wanting to visit this beautiful country. Don't tell me I just walked in a complete circle. What the hell? Okay, I walked in a complete circle. This is so dumb. I repeat the whole. Okay. A walk, you spend like a whole bunch of time multitasking, trying to walk and trying to survive the wind blowing into your face. I walked in a complete circle around a ball. Okay, let's get back on track. You'll notice that like the police and they have also like the military National Guard. That's the best way to equivalent and compare duties and tasks. But you have like the National Guard. They patrol the city. And pay and benefits, I hear, it has gotten better, but it's still not as like it can get better. But it leads to like high corruption. If your pay is not that good and you end up doing a lot of work, and your benefits are not that good either, or you get treated like crap while you're working, it's like people don't really want to work for that, you know. So corruption usually ends up high. But besides that, this city, it's a very clean city. The people are nice. The people are used to hardship, especially being a former Soviet Union country, right? So the place is very used to hardship. And look at this weather. It gets, I've experienced minus 50 degrees already Fahrenheit in this city. So there's a joke saying, if it's cold outside and you walk outside and you forget to smile and you're frowning the whole time, your face will freeze with a frown. So you better choose to walk outside happy. So that's a funny joke. But yeah, this winter is no joke. It's very extreme. It's worse than Antarctica. So it gives you understanding. And like people, you can see. Hello. You can see that people just walk out here. People just walk around, even though it's bad outside, they still do it. And it's amazing to me. Our Kazakh people are so resilient. Well, Toro. Alright. So it says I'm on a sidewalk, but I can't really tell. Like a sidewalk to you.